Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the wheel accessible and safe. Once the car is lifted and secured on jack stands, remove the wheel so you can see the disc plate clearly. Make sure you wear gloves and eye protection because sharp rust flakes or debris can fly. Visually scan both faces of the disc for grooves, scoring, or blue discoloration. These indicate overheating or wear. Also check outer edge for lip and measure thickness with calipers. The Y determines remaining life versus replacement limits. You now quantify what you saw. First, take at least 3 thickness readings around the disc using a micrometer, variation greater than 0. 020, 0.5 mm matters. Once done, mount a dial indicator against the face and slowly rotate the hub to read lateral runout. Excessive runout causes pulsation and uneven pad wear. Make sure to compare readings to the OEM minimum thickness stamped on the rotor or in the manual. If measurements exceed limits, replacement is required rather than machining. You finish by making a clear service decision. If the disc is above minimum thickness and runout is acceptable, you can resurface small scores and reinstall with new pads, otherwise replace the rotor. Once reassembled, torque lug nuts to the specified value and perform a cautious test drive to confirm braking feels smooth. If vibration or noise remains, inspect caliper slide pins, wheel bearings, and correct lug torque. This troubleshooting step often finds the root cause instead of the rotor itself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.